Hey guys, this is Dory Plays IT here. Welcome to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to make your own text skin for RainMetar, whatever this thing's called. So let's get into this. So you firstly want to open up your File Explorer, go to Documents, go to RainMetar, and Skins. Then you want to make a new folder, and I'm just going to call it text. Then you want to go open up Cortana, whatever, and you want to search up control, and it should pop up here, control panel. Open that up, go to appearance and personalization, go to File Explorer, just click on that, and then you want to click on the view, and then you want to untick hide extensions for known file types. Then apply and OK. Now you want to close that. Then we can go back here and we want to open up text. We want to click on new and we want to make a text document. And we're going to delete all of that. We're going to call it custom text.ini. Has to be that. Then you want to click on yes. And it should pop up like that there. Now we're going to open it. And then you're going to go to the description and copy and paste the text that I put in there. Okay, so I've got it now, and I've just pasted it. And it should be this. So now you're going to go to the text, and this is the text right here. You're going to pick your text. So I'm just going to do hello. I'm going to make it hello. And then you've got the size and your font. So we're first going to go to the size. I'm going to make that 35. That's pretty big. Big enough. It's not that big though. And then we've got the font. So if you go to Cortana again, search up fonts, and go to this here. What's this? Cancel. What? And it should pop up like this. And you've got all the fonts here, your fonts. You get to pick what font you want then. So we've got a bunch, you've got all the fonts you've got on your computer. And I'm gonna use, where is it? Nope, I went past it. This one, Johnny Torch. Then you want to move it over so you can see it. This too. And we're going to delete all that. Make sure you don't delete the equals thing. Then you want to type in whatever that there, where its full name is. So on font face. So it is Johnny Torch regular, just like that. And we want to close this and save it, and then we can close this, and then we can close that, and then we're basically done. So if we just open up RainMetar, we have to find it and want to refresh all. Yeah, you have to make sure you refresh it all. Then we've got text here, and then custom text in here. You want to load that. Then it should appear, right? See, we've got this right here, and it says hello. And you can go back into your documents and change it if you want to. So let's skip this. What is it? Text. So you can keep on changing it. You can make the size bigger. You can even make it 100, which is probably a bad idea. And if you don't want to keep on exiting out of it, you can just click on File and Save. But then you have to go here and refresh. I'll see how big that is. That's pretty big. You can also change the font if you want to. And you've got the font color. That's basically the color of it. So that's white. And you can change the text to and well, that